There is, by the way, an app which has been launched recently. It's called Matches, where they are trying to put down all the locations in physical where people can meet and play. Like, for example, if we have a club at Phoenix Market City or in Bandra Carter Road, then they would put a time and date, and then people can know ki हाँ यहाँ जाके, so they can match there to play. But here he introduces an additional element of dating, which is kind of, I don't know how that would work out. For example, let's say I would go and play, and if I lost, I would feel really bad. The opponent would say कि देखो तो मैंने धो डाला इधर फिर उसके बाद क्या ही डेट होगा.
But then you know that person is not right for you, na? Imagine you lose a game and the person sits and analyzes, and then conversation happens. You realize what you can do better, and you know कि second date तो बनता है इसके
अरे
साथ.
बढ़िया.
So it makes sense.
So after,
And then in your bio you can put what opening you like to play.
by the way, this is an idea which Amruta really was very strongly thinking about it, not from dating perspective, but it was called chess. It is called chess matrimonial. And I'm not kidding you. She's also bought the domain chessmatrimony.com. There's a clip also where we have asked all the players in Chennai Grandmasters, what do you think about this idea? It's maybe interesting, no? Like all chess communities there, and then it's for matrimony.
So Sagar and Tanya, what are the best chess pickup lines that people use on each other? Like what are the best chess pickup lines?
Maybe Anirban.
Anirban.
I'll sacrifice everything. But I just feel that every app is a dating app. If you just stay long enough. Right, like you can date on
Like
chess.com also.
Pop UPI. You can send money to someone.
Yes.
But I think you should do it now, right? All of you guys should come up with one chess pickup line and ask the chat to come up with one, and people here also can come up with
Chat
one.
should tell us.
Yeah.
Right. Guys, also in the audience, if you've ever used one, now is your time to tell us.
I got one rook.
I got one. Raja ko Rani se.
Arey, बढ़िया.
Very bad pickup line.
Nice.
I think we should leave it to our audience to
I
chat.
can tell one. I'll be a knight if you are a king, because knight is the best defender to a king, like nearby. थोड़ा deep है.
ये रक्षाबंधन थोड़ी है.